Alright, so I have just started out in a blank scene, and I'm going to start by creating a root node that can either be a rigid body, a character body, or a static body, or the animatable body. But for right now, for all intents and purposes, we are just going to be looking at this character body 2D because it has a built-in script so that you don't have to go anywhere else to control it. So this is the specialized 2D physics body node for characters moved by script, and that sounds like what we want. So I'm just going to double click on that and rename it to player or box or whatever you want it for. So we're going to get a little pop-up here, and it's going to say this node has no shape, so it can't collide or interact with anything. Consider adding a collision shape 2D. So that's exactly what we're going to add, collision shape 2D, and have that as a node. And then we're going to get another error, and it's going to say, oh, it has no shape. So we're going to go to the very corner and add a shape that's going to be the rectangle shape 2D. So I'm just going to move it around, and I kind of want this player to, have a sprite as you usually do. So I'm going to use this built-in, the built-in Godot sprite, and I'm going to change this collision shape to match it. Alright, that's pretty good so far. But now if we were going to run it, it will do nothing. So we're going to now attach a script to it, call it player, and make sure to have the template checked to basic movement, and create. Now it's going to pop all of this out. You don't have to really worry about it, but the main thing is, for what you need is the gravity equals project settings.get setting. So gravity by itself is built in, so this contains the code to make it move when you press the arrow keys, and just the move and slide function. So we're going to go back here, and this is the main area, and now we want to add a floor. So to the main scene, we're just going to do static body 2D because useful for floor and walls, and I'm going to make it not a child